You walk into your doctor's office feeling like a zombie with brain fog, hair loss, and zero energy. They run a TSH test and say, "You're fine," and send you on your way. Sound familiar? Yeah, you're not crazy. You're just being misled by an outdated lab model that only looks at one tiny piece of the thyroid puzzle. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Please consult with a qualified practitioner before starting or changing anything. Most conventional docs only test TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. That's like checking your gas light without ever opening the hood. TSH is a signal from your brain telling your thyroid what to do, but it doesn't tell you how much hormone you're making or whether your cells can even use that hormone. Worse, TSH levels can look normal for years while your thyroid is slowly being destroyed by autoimmunity. This is why thousands of people are walking around underdiagnosed, untreated, and feeling like garbage. If you want the real story, here's what needs to be tested. TSH, sure, keep it. Free T3, free T4, reverse T3, thyroid peroxidase antibodies, also known as TPO, and thyroid antiglobulin antibodies. That's how you catch Hashimoto's before your thyroid is toast. That's how you spot conversion problems, meaning T4 not converting to T3. And that's how you see if inflammation is blocking hormone receptors. Because, yes, that's a thing. I discussed it in a previous video. Here's the kicker: lab reference ranges are based on the sick population average. Let me say that again louder. Normal does not equal optimal. Just because your numbers are technically in range doesn't mean they're healthy. It means you're not yet in the bottom 5%. Congrats. Functional medicine practitioners, we look for optimal ranges, the ones where you actually feel good. This is your health. You deserve to understand your own numbers. If you rely solely on your doctor to interpret your labs without context, you'll miss the big picture. You want to know, are your antibodies rising or falling? Is your T3 tanked while T4 looks fine? Are you stuck in a reverse T3 storm from chronic stress? Understanding your labs means owning your healing. We'll go deeper on this in future episodes, but today, commit to this. Next time you get thyroid labs done, ask for the whole damn panel. So now you know, one lab test does not tell the whole story. Coming up next, we're diving into what actually happens in your body with Hashimoto's. Why it's not just low thyroid, but a full body immune freakout. So if that's the kind of content you need, subscribe to the channel and stick with me because we're going way deeper into this.